Times Now. This is Times Now Live and I'm Hina Gambhir. Viewers, it's a new day and a new claim has been made by US President Donald Trump. Till now he was claiming credit for India-Pakistan ceasefire. But now he has claimed that 5 jets were shot down during the India-Pakistan conflict. He said this at a dinner with some Republican US lawmakers at the White House. Now, he did not really specify which side's jet he was really referring to. And before we move further in this story, let's listen in to what exactly the US president has said this time.
Planes were being shot out of there. 4 or 5, but I think 5 jets were shot down actually. And Lindsay, that was getting worse and worse, wasn't it? That was looking like it was going to go. These are 2 serious nuclear countries, and they were hitting each other. It seems like a new form of warfare. You saw it recently when you looked at what we did in Iran, where we knocked out their nuclear capability, totally knocked out that. India and Pakistan were going at it, and they were back and forth, and it was getting bigger and bigger, and we got it solved through trade. We said, you guys want to make a trade deal? We're not making a trade deal if you're going to be throwing around weapons, and maybe nuclear weapons, both very powerful nuclear.
So you heard, he is saying he thinks 5 jets were shot down actually. Seems like he isn't too sure. But for the opposition, Trump's word is the final word. What Donald Trump says is the ultimate truth for the opposition. Now, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, was quick to pick it up, asking what the Prime Minister is, what the truth, he asked the Prime Minister, in fact, what is the truth about the 5 jets? Through a post on social media platform X, he says the country has the right to know. And then we had earlier Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party as well, who called it a sensational new revelation by President Donald Trump. He has also sought a clear and categorical statement in Parliament by the Prime Minister. Not just the Congress party, in fact, TMC MP Mahua Moitra has also responded, saying that India had lost at least 1 Rafale. She's asking, doesn't India deserve a post-Sindoor briefing? Listen into these reactions coming in from the opposition.
मैं 10 से लेकर आज तक 24 बार एक बार नहीं 24 बार राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने 2 बात दोहराए हैं। पहली बात वो जो कहकर आ रहे हैं कि मध्यस्थता मैंने की। ये 2 देश थे, भारत और पाकिस्तान, युद्ध हो रहा था। ये परमाणु हथियार देश हैं और हम चिंतित थे कि परमाणु हथियार का इस्तेमाल हो सकता है और मैंने युद्ध विराम कराया। दूसरी बात जो उन्होंने कही है कि मैंने भारत और पाकिस्तान को दोनों को कहा कि अगर आप हमारे साथ व्यापार बढ़ाना चाहते हो तो युद्ध विराम कराओ। उन्होंने कहा है कि 5 लड़ाकू विमान गिरे थे इस युद्ध में। तो हमारा सवाल सीधा है, अभी 2 दिन में मानसून सत्र शुरू होने वाला है, लोकसभा और राज्यसभा। प्रधानमंत्री अपनी चुप्पी तोड़े।
It is 25th time President Trump has claimed that he is the person who made the ceasefire possible with India and Pakistan. My question to Prime Minister is why he is on a Mount Everest for so long. He has made the Foreign Secretary to speak in Hindi, but he is not ready to speak in English. When he can speak it in English from Bihar, why he is not replying to President Trump? Now, this time, President Trump has gone further. He has claimed that our fighter flights has been 5 has been brought down. Why after this also Mr. Modi is silent?
And we have some breaking news coming in at this point in time. BJP's Amit Malviya has launched a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi. On social media platform X, he stated Rahul Gandhi's mindset is Desh Drohi. In fact, Donald Trump in his statement neither mentioned India's name nor said that 5 jets were actually India's. Does Rahul Gandhi have more sympathy for Pakistan than for his own country is the question that he's asked. The truth is that Pakistan has not yet recovered from Operation Sindoor, but it is Rahul Gandhi who is still feeling the pain. Rahul Gandhi, Amit Malviya is asking, should clarify, is he Indian or Pakistani spokesperson? Let me straight away go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejshri, a blistering attack there coming in from Amit Malviya of the BJP.
Well, absolutely. Now, Amit Malviya has attacked Rahul Gandhi on the kind of questions that Rahul Gandhi has been raising. And in fact, Amit Malviya has also mentioned that this shows the anti-national mindset of Rahul Gandhi. That's the big attack that Amit Malviya, the IT chief head of BJP, has been making. And in fact, he is also mentioning that Trump did not mention about the country. And in fact, it is Rahul Gandhi who assumed that it was India. And in fact, the IT chief Amit Malviya has also in fact mentioned that the truth is about that Pakistan is still struggling to cope up with the kind of attack that it has to face from the Indian side during Operation Sindoor, but that is, and in fact, that is what hurting Rahul Gandhi. So this is that is in fact turned into a massive political war of words, where we have been seeing that on one hand, Congress leaders are questioning the kind of strategy and the kind of statements that BJP has been giving, and also in fact questioning that why BJP or central government is not coming out with a clear-cut statement on the mediation, because they've also been mentioning since morning, sometimes 24 times, sometimes 25 times, that how Trump has been making the statements about mediation, and now it's Amit Malviya who is giving it back to the Congress leaders.
Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs, Tejshri. Let me also now welcome the guests who are joining us on the broadcast on this debate. We have Manish Bariyar, who is a political analyst. We also have with us Dr. Akashdeep Muni, who is a political analyst. Good evening to both of you, gentlemen. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Dr. Akashdeep Muni, BJP is saying Rahul Gandhi should clarify, is he Indian or Pakistani spokesperson? Because if you look at what Mr. Donald Trump has said, one, he isn't too sure about the jets being down. He is saying, I think 5 jets were shot down actually. He did not mention the name of the country as well in the statement that he made. But for the Congress party, for Rahul Gandhi, it was the Indian jets that were shot down by Pakistan. That is the assumption. So I want you to respond to the point that BJP has made.
No, specifically today I want to tell you one particular thing. Is leave aside Trump, what Trump is saying.
How can I leave aside Trump, what Trump is saying? Because that's the only thing Congress party wants to believe.
Just 1 second, ma'am. Leave aside for 1 minute what Trump is saying. We believe our Chief of Defense Army Staff, General Anil Chauhan, who has said clearly that there were some fighter jets, quote unquote, to the world media, that there were losses on the Indian side. Now the war is over. Does the Indian side have the right to know that what was the losses on the Indian side, so that we will be much more prepared? You remember Kargil War. After the Kargil War, the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee committed a Samiksha committee led by senior diplomats to ascertain that where was the problem from our side and what were the world ramifications. Till date, we don't know what has been happening. And what happened in Operation Sindoor?
I heard the point you have made, and I will get Mr. Manish Bariyar to respond to that. But before that, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, you still have not answered my question. So I'm giving you yet another opportunity before I go across to Mr. Manish. Now, BJP is asking Rahul Gandhi should clarify, is he Indian or Pakistan spokesperson? How will you like to respond?
There is so shameful of Bharatiya Janata Party that anybody who is asking for accountability, they say that he is Pakistani. Bhai, aaj to koi bhi Pakistani ban sakta Bharat ho. I want to say that is Captain Shiv Kumar, who said that China, we did lose some aircraft, quote unquote. Is he a Pakistani? Is General Anil Chauhan a Pakistani? BJP has been doing anti-national things always. I want to quote only one particular thing. When Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji conducted a Samiksha Baithak, was he a Pakistani when he did it after Kargil War? So after Operation
Manish Bariyar, how will you like to respond to the points that Dr. Akashdeep Muni has made?
First of all, I think I have a lot of respect for what his opinion, but of course I differ from it. This quote unquote, Trump said that he has stopped war of Palestine. Did it stop? Trump said that Ukraine and this Russia war, I have stopped it. Did it stop? Trump said that I have stopped the war in North Korea, between North Korea and South Korea. Has it stopped? Trump is the most fact-checked president or a head of the state ever in this whole world, right? He has been the most fact-checked. He is a known, in fact, liar in so many ways. But on top of that, first he has to ensure that what is there in Epstein files in his own home. He has to sue Wall Street Journal because Wall Street Journal has said that he was the one who was there in Epstein files amongst the rich. So he's trying to just divert attention of the people there in US by talking all this nonsense. That is what he's doing. And do we not understand that it's a geopolitics all over this world right now? So there is an axis which is there. Recently, our foreign minister met a Chinese president. Imagine a foreign minister meeting President Chinese. It doesn't happen always, right? But there must be some reason why it is happening. So, and you know, he has threatened that you can't buy oil from Russia. So there are so many things which is going on. On top of that, we also have a dim-witted leader of opposition who will keep speaking. I was surprised that they keep counting how many times Trump is saying. Since when Trump has become so important to us?
Isn't that a valid point, Dr. Akashdeep Puni, that every time Donald Trump says something, for the opposition, for Rahul Gandhi, for leaders of the Congress party specifically, that is like the ultimate truth. They do not want to believe what Indian armed forces have said, what the statement that has been given by Indian government. You want to believe what American president is saying, but you do not want to listen to what Indian Prime Minister is saying or what Indian armed forces are saying.
Just imagine, Hina ji,
these are the same people.
Okay, one at a time, gentlemen. But Mr. Manish, 1 second. Dr. Akashdeep Puni and then Mr. Manish. Yes.
Yeah.
Hina ji, these were the same people who were supporting अब की बार ट्रम्प सरकार. भाई 5 साल पहले तो आप ट्रम्प के दीवाने थे. आज जब वो
तो लेकिन आज तो ऐसा लग रहा है आप ट्रम्प के दीवाने ज्यादा बन गए हैं. आपको शायद उस वक्त फोमो हो रहा था, इसलिए आप ट्रम्प के दीवाने बने हुए फिर रहे हैं आजकल.
हिना जी, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कौन दीवाना है. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ना कि लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल राहुल आर सिंह, जो डेप्यूटी चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ है, उन्होंने बोला है कि ना कि पाकिस्तान वाज ऑन द फ्रंट फेस इन दिस वॉर एंड चाइना वाज प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल सपोर्ट. उसके बाद भी हमारे फॉरेन मिनिस्टर जाके चाइना से मिलते हैं और मनीष जी जैसे पता नहीं क्या जो लोग सब बोलते हैं कि वाह भाई वाह.
आपसे मैं सवाल कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. एवरी टाइम आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन यू टेक मी टू अनदर इंसिडेंट. यू आर जस्ट शिफ्टिंग द गोल पोस्ट अगेन एंड अगेन. बाय द वे you made a reference. 1 second. You made a reference to what General Chauhan had said. I also want to remind you what Air Marshal A.K. Bharti had said during a press conference on 11th of May. And he said, when a specific question was asked, as I said, their planes were prevented from coming inside our border. He said, we don't have the wreckage with us, but definitely we've downed a few planes. Now, this was the statement that was made by Air Marshal A.K. Bharti on 11th of May. Now, when Mr. Donald Trump, the US president, is making a statement that he thinks 5 jets were shot down, he could also be referring to the Pakistani jets that were shot down by India. What makes Rahul Gandhi and Congress netas feel that it was Indian jets only that Donald Trump was referring to? This is my simple question to you. You at least, I hope you believe what Indian armed forces have been saying in this, regard.
Why people here, I said that the Chief of Defense Staff has agreed that Indian fighter jets were down. Simple.
But then Air Marshal A.K. Bharti also spoke about the damage that was inflicted on Pakistan by the Indian side. Their jets were also down. He said it categorically. Manish Barrier wants to respond.
Yeah, just 1 second. See, one has to understand that why Donald Trump is talking like this. See, it was Abhinandan who shot down F-16. We never went for F-16. We went for Rafale. He is a businessman, right? He represents United States business interests. But here the fools don't understand, or maybe even if they understand, it is a brinkmanship of the highest order that they can speak anti-national things like this. In spite of understanding, I'm absolutely surprised. They are issueless. They have no issues. You know that what kind of a person Trump is, and then you are putting up all these statements. I'm really, really aghast that somebody here, a political party, can actually speak like that. They have no issues. They don't talk about development. They don't have a vision for this country. Nothing is there. How you can improve economically? You will talk about somebody who's Trump, where the whole world is laughing on him. Look at Brazilian president, what he said. Sovereignty of the nation is more important. This is some person who keeps threatening. Can we get bullied by somebody like that? Absolutely not. So none of the countries are giving him any traction. India is also not giving any traction to him. So he will keep blabbering facts, things, whatever he wishes to. But we as a nation will keep our interests first. And that is why we are not speaking. Because we will not speak on his terms. We'll speak when we wish to.
Dr. Akashdeep Muni, please respond.
I will again say fools and anti-nationals in this country are supporting Trump previously, and today they're supporting China. When the Indian High Commissioner, Indian Foreign Minister goes and meets China, whereas in Operation Sindoor, China was the front, as Lieutenant General.
But we are not discussing India and China here. We are not discussing India's foreign policy here. We are asking, a very specific question here, because Rahul Gandhi has interpreted the statement by Donald Trump in his own way, the way it suits his narrative or Congress Party's narrative. And hence, I'm asking you a question again. Who do you trust? Do you want to trust Donald Trump, or do you want to trust Indian armed forces?
I don't understand.
Where has Donald Trump said that he was talking about Indian jets? You answer this question.
Give me 10 seconds without interruption. After Kargil war.
No, I'm not discussing Kargil war here. I'm sorry, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, you're confusing the viewers also. I am discussing what happened during Operation Sindoor. Do you have an answer?
अरे भाई आपको सुनना ही नहीं है तो आप पूछते क्यों?
क्योंकि आपके पास जवाब ही नहीं है सीधे सवाल का. Every time I ask you a question, you shift the goalpost because you do not have an answer. I asked you a pointed question. Dr. Akashdeep Muni. Where has Donald Trump, the US president, said that he's talking about Indian jets?
आंसर आपके क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से नहीं होगा.
अरे, I am the anchor. I am the moderator of this debate. I am the one who's moderating it. So आपको जवाब तो मेरे सवाल का ही देना होगा ना.
आप क्या चाहते हो? आप चाहते हो कि ना कि भारत में समीक्षा नहीं होनी चाहिए, मोदी जी अल्टीमेट लीडर बन जाना चाहिए.
डॉक्टर आकाशदीप मुनी, आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? I am the one who's moderating this discussion. I am asking you a question. You don't have an answer. Every time I ask you the question, you're just shifting the goalpost. कभी आप चाइना पे चले जाते हैं, कभी आप कारगिल वॉर की बात करने लग जाते हैं. You tell me, okay, I'm giving you another opportunity. Hear my question. One second, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, 1 second. आप मेरा सवाल सुनिए. Has Donald Trump, the US president, who you believe, a lot when it comes to Operation Sindoor, has he anywhere said that he was talking about Indian jets being shot down? What makes Rahul Gandhi think that he was talking about Indian jets?
Where did Rahul Gandhi said that 5 Indian jets were shot down? Give me the quote.
Acha. Have you seen the post that Rahul Gandhi has put out? He's asking the Prime Minister that question, by the way.
Give out the quote now. Because you give out the quote, you said now you are wrong when you say this.
Oh my God.
Where has Rahul Gandhi said that 5 Indian jets were shot down?
He is asking the Prime Minister to explain, quoting Donald Trump. He is asking the Prime Minister to explain. The nation wants to know.
Opposition का काम है question करना. Leader opposition का काम ही है कि नहीं question करना Prime Minister को.
Okay. So Manish wants to respond.
Hina ji, this is not hidden. That Congress party and opposition looks at Pakistani channels and then asks questions to Indian government. This has happened so many times. So that is what I was saying, that there is a brinkmanship. There is no idea, no understanding. Geopolitics keeps changing. He doesn't understand only. So what will he do? He is also defending his brother-in-law, who is a known person. So many deals have happened. So what will he do? The moment heat will come on his brother-in-law, he's going to talk all this nonsense. So that is what is going to happen.
All right. I'm completely out of time. But thank you very much, gentlemen, both of you, for joining us. Dr. Akashdeep Muni and Manish Baryar. Of course, this is going to be our top focus ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very short break. Stay with us.